Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to show progressive aspect of action in Chinese. There are 5 ways to show progressive aspect of action in Chinese. You can use 在、正在、正在什么呢？正什么呢？ Number 1. 在 plus verb. This is the basic sentence structure to represent the progress of an action. 在 indicates the action is continuous and the action has progressed for a period of time. Sentence examples. 他在看电视。他在看电视。He is watching TV. 妹妹在睡觉。妹妹在睡觉。The younger sister is sleeping. Number 2. 正 plus verb. 正 emphasizes the moment when the action is performed. Sentence examples. 我正准备出门的时候，电话响了。我正准备出门的时候，电话响了。When I was about to go out, the phone rang. 昨天下午，他正坐在回国的飞机上。昨天下午，他正坐在回国的飞机上。Yesterday afternoon, she was sitting on the plane returning home. Number 3. 正在 plus verb. This structure indicates the progress of an action as well as the moment the action is performed. It is the same as 正 plus 在 plus verb. 正在 before a verb can be a stand-alone sentence. Sentence examples. 他正在做饭。他正在做饭。She is cooking. 小明正在讲电话。小明正在讲电话。小明 is talking on the phone. Number 4. Subject plus 在 plus verb plus 呢。The 呢 at the end of the sentence has the function of providing information and act as a reminder to the listener. 呢 can be used with 在 正 正在. You can also choose not to use. 学生们在上课呢。学生们在上课呢。The students are in class. The ner at the end of the sentence means the speaker telling the listener that the students are in class. You can put 请安静, please keep quiet, at the beginning of the sentence or after as a reminder to the listener. Number 5. Subject plus Zheng plus verb plus ne. Sentence examples. 昨天晚上7点，我和家人正吃着饭呢。昨天晚上7点，我和家人正吃着饭呢。At 7 o'clock last night, my family and I were having dinner. When a time phrase is used, the progressive action can be in the past or future. Differences between 在 and 正. As the focus point for 正 and 在 is different in terms of expressing a progressive action, we cannot use them interchangeably. For example, 他在看电视 versus 他正看电视。Although you can replace 在 with 正, but the focus of these two sentences are not the same. 他在看电视 means the action is continuous and the action has progressed for a period of time. 正 emphasized the moment an action is performed. Sentence using 正 cannot be a stand-alone sentence. There must be another sentence following the previous one or using modal particles like ne. For example, you can say 他正看电视，忽然停电了。He was watching TV when the power went out suddenly. You can also say 他正看电视呢。他正看电视呢。He is watching TV. We hope you can better understand the differences between 在 and 正 after this video. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束。谢谢大家。